Hello, this is Sherrell T with Empower to Thrive, and we help business owners create, build, and maintain financially thriving businesses. This week's tip is about whether or not you should accept credit card payments, and it came out of a conversation that I had with a client. So I think there are many pros and cons to whether or not you should accept credit card payments when you're trying to make that decision. But I also think as a business owner that you need to be able to accommodate your clients by providing them with multiple ways to make payment for your services and products. So 3 pros that I think there are convenience, access, and flexibility. Convenience is credit cards are the most convenient form of payment. You don't have to wait in line for customers to write a check and then make sure that the check goes through and it doesn't clear. It speeds up the purchasing process. In addition, as a business owner, you don't have to wait to make a deposit. You don't have to take the time to go to the bank hoping that the check will clear, waiting 5 to 7 days. Usually with a credit card payment, it clears within 2 to 3 days. And you have the convenience of doing it from inside of your business and not having to go to the bank. That also flows into access because, again, the credit cards are going to clear within 2 to 3 days instead of the 5 to 7 days. And it's flexibility because for your customers, they're more inclined to do business with you if you accept credit card payments. For businesses who only accept checks and cash, some clients are not so eager to use those services. Like most people don't carry around checks anymore or a checkbook in their wallets or purses or whatever anymore. They want to be able to just take it out, swipe, and keep on moving. So it provides great flexibility for your clients. Now, some cons are fees, fraud, and more work. So as a business owner, you're going to be charged a processing fee for every credit card that is used at your business. These fees range from 2% up to as high as 3 3/4, depending on what service you use, what merchant service that you use. There are rules now that you can charge that fee to a customer, but I am against that fee because that fee is a cost for you doing business. So you need to think about that when you're charging these fees, when you're charging your customers these fees back. That's a fee that you can no longer deduct because you're at the same time bringing in the revenues to offset it. So that's just something to consider. Fraud. Of course, there's an increased risk of fraud with credit cards because some people out there have way too much time on their hands, and so they're out there committing credit card fraud. So you have to be more leery of accepting cards and making sure you follow the procedures to validate whether that card belongs to that person. And then more work. So it creates a little bit more work for you or your bookkeeper in the sense that now that's another account that has to be processed and reconciled on a monthly basis. Not an extreme amount of additional work, but it is some additional work. So tell me, how's accepting credit cards helped or hurt your business? Please leave your comment over on our blog at EmpowerToThrive.com so that our Empower to Thrive community can benefit. Did you like this video? If so, please subscribe so you can receive tips like these every single week and share with your friends, fans, and followers so that they too can benefit. And don't forget to visit us at www.EmpowerToThrive.com so you can receive our 10 critical steps for building a thriving business and some bonus budgeting checklists. Now remember, in order to thrive financially in life and in business, you have to push past your fears, excel in your ability, and soar to new heights. I look forward to talking to you next week. Take care and be empowered.